Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ella Berries Africa. Thank you for stopping by. In our today's tutorial, we're going to be learning how to make this simple palazzo pants with a waistband, that's an elastic band, and a rope at the same time. If this is what you want, please stay to the end. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell for more interesting videos. Once again, please try to subscribe. Your subscription is very, very important to me so I can make more interesting videos like this, guys. So, without further ado, we are just going to go straight to today's tutorial. Stay by and enjoy. Thank you. For today's class, we are going to be needing our tape, our ruler, our chalk, and our scissors. Yeah, and the required measurements are the crouch depth and the hip and the length. And the fabric we are using is a flowered crepe fabric. Yes, I already went ahead to fold it in order not to waste time. So the first step, well, I folded it. That was my first step. I folded it using the hip. I added 8 inches to the hip. That's 50. 8 plus, then divided by 4. I got 12.5. And I added 2 inches for seaming allowance. So that's what I use in folding my fabric. So the next step is for me to go ahead and mark my vertical points. So the first point is going to be the crouch depth, from the waist to the crouch depth. So because I'm adding a band to this pants, and it's a 1.5 inch pants. Sorry, 1.5 inch band. So I'm going to take off 1.5 inch, just like so. I'm taking off 1.5 inch. So I'll get my crouch. My crouch depth is supposed to be 13, but I'm going to be adding, because it's a palazzo pants, I'm going to add about 3 inches. 1, 2, 3. Yes, I'm going to add about 3 inches to that. Yeah, like so. And then I'm going to get my length. My length is 43. So I'll be adding 2 inches to that for hemming allowance. So this is 43 plus 2 inches. That's making 45. So that's it. Right? So right now we are done with marking the vertical points. Now we're going to take our rounds. So you come to this point, this open end here, you mark, because the palazzo pants are going to be using 3 inches, 3 inches like so, instead of 2 inches. You mark 3 inches here, and also go up on the waistline and also mark 3 inches. So we use our ruler to join it like so. So this is for our crouch extension. So we're going to make our crouch curve. We come to this end here, come out by 1 inch at least. Should be up 1 inch or more than. Then you make your curve. So avoid this from packing. So avoid this part from packing. That's why we're coming out by 1 inch. So it doesn't pack around it. So on the waistline here, because an elastic waist, a band that we're adding, we are going to mark off. We just mark off. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm marking off 1 inch here, just like so. Just 1 inch, because it's going to be, we're going to be adding an elastic band. Or you can even leave it that way. Then you join this to the hip. Sorry. Yes, we are supposed to mark our hip points. And our hip point is, because it's a high waist, our hip point is 10. So you join this like so to the hip. You join this like this to the hip. Sorry, my camera is a bit shaky. I don't know. Yeah. So now we are just going to extend this line or leave it like so. Extend it like this. Just like this. Now we'll come to the hemline. On the hemline, we'll measure what we have here. I'm going to measure what we have here. What we're having here is 14.5. 14.5. We're going to take off like 1 inch. So that will be 13.5. Just take off 1 inch. It's okay. So you join it this way. Just like so. This is a very, very simple palazzo pants. Wow. So we're done with the front panel. I'm going to go ahead and cut it out so we can use it to cut out the back panel. So we're just going to go ahead and open up this part like so. Let's open it up. So guys, this is what we got. We're going to go ahead and fold our fabric again, and then we fold our fabric again and cut out the back panel. So guys, to cut the back panel, I went ahead to fold my fabric again. I folded my fabric again, and I placed my front panel on it. This is my crotch of my front panel, and then I left about 3 inches for the back crotch panel. And also, yeah, I also left about 3 inches too for the boot rise. Yes. So we're going to start by working on the back crouch. So we extend this line near the front crouch, and then we extend it forward like this. Yeah. Then we measure our 3 inches. 3 inches is okay. 3 inches, and where we marked off that 3 inches, we're going to come down there by. We come down there by half an inch, like so, and make another line again. Then we'll come on the end of this, the waist of this front, the front panel. We go up here by 2 inches because the person is on the high side. So we go up by 2 inches, and then we came in by 1 inch, like so. Came in by 1 inch, like so. So I'm just going to leave this and make the back crotch like so. So this is for the back crouch. This is for the back crouch. Let me pull this first. This also this line here is for the back crouch. So we're going to join this back. this part here to the end of the waist. So, and then we're going to replace that 1 inch that we took off. The 1 inch we took off here, we place it back to this point here. Yeah. And then join this like so. Just touch about 1 inch here. Down. Just like so. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. There's that 1 inch I took off from there. I placed it back here and I extended the line down. Let me leave it again so you guys can see what I'm saying. Then this scratch points here, I'm just going to drag this to any point to meet the front panel, any point that meets the front panel. Then I'll still go down if you want. I prefer leaving it this way. So I'll go ahead now and use my scissors to cut this out. So guys, we are done with cutting the front and back panel. Next, we just go ahead and cut out the band and the pocket. For the band, just go ahead and measure this. We have 11.5, and here is 11.5 too. So 11.5 times 4 is what? 44 plus 1, that's 46. So we're going to be making a band of 46 by, I'm using this elastic, it's a 1.5 inch elastic. So I'm using a band of 2 inches by 46. So I'll go ahead and just fold it. 46 inches. Let's see if this is up. It's up to 46 inches. Okay, this is not even enough. Let's check this other way. It's enough. Okay, this is more than. So we'll go ahead and fold this into a 2 inches band, like so. So we are good to go. We'll go ahead and cut it out. So this is for a band and for pockets. just fold our normal inner pockets like so. You just fold this like so. Not using any particular amounts. And fold it based on your desire, what you desire. Okay. So with this, guys, we are done with cutting out the different parts. I'm going to go ahead and join the different pieces together. So if you are interested in seeing the sewing tutorial, leave a message in my comment section and I'm going to pick it up from there. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on the notification bell for more interesting videos. Bye bye. See you.